So I've showed one of my students a quick little simple way to put all of their sentence topic and split them up into their different fields. For example, having our places here, and then over here we have our articles, at, and the, and then our be verbs is am and are. So splitting them up into their different categories, and then also some direction words or preposition words and directions here, turn left, turn right, next to. So doing it this way, we can feel and we can touch and we can create our own sentences. Instead of just writing it, we can now mix and match them however we like. So let's try one together. Let's try this one. Where is the church? How could we write that one? You can make it yourself. Yep.
Church.
Good. Right. Oh, we're gonna run out of table though. It's a big sentence, this one. So let's have a little read together. So the question before we didn't quite get to finish. So where is the church? So we had a little diagram just up here, and now Avia has created her sentence. Can you point it out and have a read from the start? Yep. Here we go. Yep, you can read.
The church is between the pub and the hotel. Full stop.
Full stop. Excellent. And she even came up with the idea to create some of them with some capital letters that might be at the start of a sentence, and also to create some for our punctuation. So like full stop, comma, exclamation mark, question mark. Cool. Great. So this is a good little activity that kids can visually create their own sentences and can feel them as well. So that's cool.